with you. You don't go away before you return to your tea. You come inside, you go out. You put on a coat, you take it off. You get on the bus, you get off at the park. Life is a rhythm, a light and a dark. You get dressed, you sort the laundry, you eat up your plate, you drink up your glass, you arrange to meet a friend, you finish your work, you start with a laugh, you pick up memories. You come inside, you go out, you put on a coat, you take it off, you get on the bus, you get off at the park. Life is a rhythm, a light and a dark. You walk on, you turn around, you leave something behind. Sometimes you leave a dream. You answer a question, you pass on a message, you hug a child, you kiss a forehead full of devotion and the chorus. Feel the love, you celebrate life, you breathe deeply. Sometimes you have to sneeze. You go, you yawn, you wash your face, you shave, you brush teeth, you hold your hair straight. You put on shoes, you invest yourself in the world. You are amazed, you are born a flag that is waved, and in the silence continue on the sound. You breathe in, and do you